अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। तो बेटा हम वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ इक्वेशंस ऑफ लाइंस पढ़ रहे थे। इसकी एक्सरसाइज में हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस की थे एक्सरसाइज में। तो आज हम एक्सरसाइज कंटिन्यू करेंगे बेटा। मैंने आपको मटेरियल भी भेजा है, कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको भेजे हैं। अब क्वेश्चन है, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। क्वेश्चन इज find the equation of line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axes and passes through the point 2, 3. The line passes through 2, 3 and cuts off equal intercepts on coordinate axes. तो बेटा क्वेश्चन क्या है? द लाइन passes through 2, 3 and cuts off equal intercepts with the coordinate axes. ठीक है, तो आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन बनानी है so that the line pass through 2, 3 and that cuts off equal intercepts of the coordinate axes. देखिए बेटा, we know that equation of line in intercept form is equation of line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of line in intercept form, but here it is given that a is equal to b. So we can say x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, or simply you can say it is x plus y is equal to a. This is, let it be star equation. ठीक है, अगर आप ये लाइन ये जो लाइन है इसकी इंटरसेप्ट इक्वल है, जो x plus y is equal to a. Now since the line passes through 2, 3, so you can say 2, 3, but I can write as the line passes through 2, 3, so therefore a is equal to x plus y, that is 2 plus 3, which implies a is equal to 5. Therefore the equation of line is, equation of line is x plus y is equal to 5, or you can write it as or x by 5 plus y by 5 is equal to 1, or you can write it as this. ठीक है, तो बेटा ऐसे अपने इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन that passes through the point 2, 3 and that cuts off the equal intercepts on the coordinate axes. ठीक है, अब वैसे ही एक और क्वेश्चन है इसमें, that is question number 13. Question number 13 है, and the question number 13 is find the equation of line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the line on the axis whose sum is 9. It is given that the line, it is question number 13, the line passes through 2, 2 and it is given that and sum of intercepts with the axis is 9. That is equation of line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, but it is given that a plus b is equal to 9. a plus b is equal to 9. ठीक है, also the line passes through 2, 2. Therefore, we can write 2 by A plus 2 by B is equal to 1. So you can write it as सिंपली आपको क्या करना है बेटा, आपको ये तो एक तो आपको A और B का वैल्यू निकालना है, आपको यहाँ पे सिंपली A और B का वैल्यू निकालना है, सो दैट यू कैन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. ठीक है, सो यू कैन राइट x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. 2 by A plus 2, that is you can write twice A plus B is equal to AB. But it is given that A plus B is equal to 9, that is AB is equal to 18. AB is equal to 18. When I write AB is equal to 18, it implies that AB is equal to 18. We can write A is equal to B minus 9. That is A into B के बदले लिखेंगे A minus 9 और 9 माइनस ए. ए इंटू बी के बदले लिख सकते हो बेटा 9 माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 18. दैट इज 9a माइनस ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 18. दैट इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस 9a प्लस 18 इज इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज क्वाड्रेटिक इन ए. यू कैन सॉल्व दिस बाय क्या राइट A square minus 3a minus 6a plus 18. Minus 3a minus 6a, that is minus 9a minus 6 into minus 3, that is 18. 18 into 1, that is 18. It's equal to 0. A common. A minus 3 minus 6 common. A minus 3 is equal to 0. So either A minus 6 is equal to 0 or A minus 3 is equal to 0. So A is equal to 6 and A is equal to 3. तो बेटा क्या आएंगे A और B के वैल्यूज? If A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6. If A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3. These are the values. So required equation of lines क्या होंगे फिर? Therefore, required equation of lines will be x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1, or x by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. These are the required equation of lines. So beta, these were the questions of this exercise. Some questions of this exercise for this various forms of equation of lines. So with the help of this concept, you can find equation of a line. तो बेटा आपने यहाँ पे क्या सीखा कि अगर एक लाइन दी गई होगी, उसके suppose a line passes through the point and so there is some property of intercepts with the coordinate axes. With the help of given information you can find the equation of line. जैसे ये इक्वेशन था कि the line passes through 2, 2 and the sum of interceptors with the x sum of interceptors with the x axis is 9. That is जो इस line के intercepts है. Intercepts means this is a point of intersection which is common between line and the axis. Suppose if there is a point, अगर जैसे मैं यहाँ पे आपको समझाऊंगा बेटा, अगर ये टू डायमेंशनल प्लेन है, सपोज यहाँ पे आपने एक लाइन डाली ऐसे, अब ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट, इन पॉइंट्स पे जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं इनको बोलते हैं इंटरसेप्ट्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्स इंटरसेप्ट, दिस इज कॉल्ड वाई इंटरसेप्ट. A point which is common between line and the x-axis is called x-intercept, and a point which is common between line and the y-axis is called y-intercept. तो बेटा यहाँ तक आप कीजिए. इंशाल्लाह जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगा उसमें आपको इंशाल्लाह और भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. थैंक यू.